It's a busy day at the Jogia village in Uttar Pradesh. A team of experts has arrived to help farmers identify the right type of soil for cultivation. Pramod is one of the beneficiaries.
जन सेवा केंद्र के माध्यम से और यहाँ पर आके किसान भाइयों से संपर्क किया, हमसे भी संपर्क किया और हमारी फसल के बारे में उन्होंने खेती की मिट्टी की जांच की। मिट्टी की जांच में किसानों के जो भी कमियां थीं उन कमियों को बताया। काफ़ी फ़ायदा हो रहा है फसल में और जहाँ तक अंदाज़ा है हम उस जो हमको पहले हानि होती थी या कम पैदावार निकाल पाते थे, आज हमको लग रहा है कि मैं 10 से 12 मन का बीघा अपने खेत से निकाल लूँगा।
Providing support and inputs to thousands of farmers like Pramod Kumar is Unnati, an agriculture-based services company.
The whole idea of doing this is how do you go ahead and enable, IT, ICT and the experts all combined together in an integrated way to solve various problems of the farmers, right? Who basically are unable to do precision farming because they are deprived of this particular technology. And what we do is we ensure that while we put it into an integrated form, we make it economically viable for the farmers to go ahead and consume these services so that they can go ahead and do farming which is not only profitable, is also sustainable in short term as well as in long term.
A lot of people actually had been using technology to reach out to farmers, but they were offering certain slices of the whole service cycle, whereas the farmers wanted that, okay, if I get mandi rates, then not only the rates about that, but what if I'm not able to sell at the right rate at this point of time? So what should I do next? So that is where we thought of a particular service where we could support the farmer throughout the life cycle, be with him right from identifying which crop he does, to how he does it, to where does he sell the output and what does he do after that.
Co-founded by Amit Sinha and Ashok Prasad, Unnati helps the farmer improve his income by following certain methods.
The whole services are slotted into advisory services where the farmer support thing is going on. We offer soil testing services. We offer agri input provisioning where we would provide seeds from branded outputs and then various other kinds of agri chemicals. And then we are also in discussions to offer financial services which are typically related to crop loans and pledge loans. So these are the 4 things that we currently offer to the farmers.
Farmers registered with their call center know that scientific advice on crop cultivation is just a phone call away.
We share a toll-free number with the farmers where farmers can dial in and they can ask a question related to whatever they are doing. Our people would also keep on calling them back every alternate week, every week, depending on their crop life cycle, which is created out of a sowing date, which is specific to that farmer. Now this whole back-end technology supported by mobile applications which are used to capture field information and send it back to the experts who are sitting at the Noida call center, and then they would offer help services to the farmers.
Unnati reaches more than 4,000 farmers and the network is growing every day.
Since the last 3 crop life cycles, we have been working with around 4,000 farmers who have been taking these services from us. In a recent survey that we got done through an independent agency, farmers are very happy with the advisory services that they get. That is one big difference that they see when they come to us vis-a-vis any other place, and the proactive nature of the services, because typically we would take it to a logical conclusion in terms of providing a solution rather than leaving anywhere in between.
In a country where a majority of the farmers have to battle against all odds, Unnati is doing its best to support farmers for profitable and sustainable farming.